Thank you, loved ones. If this is your first time of seeing this video, you are highly welcome. On this YouTube channel, I want to tell you how I lost my YouTube. And it's very sorrowful and it's very painful. Just imagine you work for a very long time, getting the subscribers and having views, and one day you just wake up, you receive a mail from YouTube that your channel has been taken down. So, what I want to teach you as a new YouTuber is there are mistakes I have made on YouTube which you are not supposed to repeat them. You understand? So what happened was I started this YouTube channel. It was a comedy channel. I started it in the year 2023. So I started posting video gradually. I was going. Then one particular day I posted the video that I'm not supposed to post. The video violated their community guideline, which I'm not aware. You learn every day. So the strike came and I try appealing it like I'm not supposed to have deleted the video, but I deleted it. And if you delete a video, you cannot appeal for it again. So it's after I deleted it, I noticed I can appeal for it. What happened was somebody was trying to jump down from a bridge, and in Nigerian language they were trying to stop him. A lot of people were trying to stop him, and I saw that video. I see it as a sorrowful video, and I posted that video, which it violated their community guideline. And the community guideline says that it's either you upload what will educate people or entertain people. So that was the strike I saw. So why do I have that strike? The reason why I had that strike is I was a new YouTuber and I need to learn from experience, which I've been on this platform for a very long time. If this is the first time I've seen this video, if you find it interesting and you want to learn more, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. I have other YouTube channels that has over 50,000 subscribers. I started this one. This one is a new YouTube channel, and if you want to learn new tips on this channel, you can also subscribe. So let me continue what happened. The reason why it happened to me was because I was not reading the community guideline. I didn't mean reading it very well. This thing couldn't have happened. There's no how it will happen to you. So don't just be a creator that you come on YouTube, you don't want to know the community guideline. Bro, it's very important. It's better you go and learn what the community guideline is talking about. It's very, very important and it will help you because of when you are going to receive the strike. So that is the mistake I made, and I really regret it because the strike comes in 3 ways. They'll first send you strike. It will last for 90 days. Then the second strike that will come on your channel, YouTube will take down your video. And if YouTube take down your video, you the sanction is going to be for 2 weeks. You're not going to be able to upload video for 2 weeks. Then also you go for 90 days. Just imagine you've gone for 90 days already, like 3 months. And also you went for another 3 months. This is going to get you frustrated. It's going to make you give up, and which giving up is very bad. It's a bad aspect of YouTube. Yeah, you don't need to give up. For the fact that they take your channel down, you don't need to give up. It has happened to me. I'm a victim, and I don't want you to be a victim. Do you understand? I have a lot of videos and I had a lot of experience. Please don't fall this victim. And again, another thing that can make them take your channel down is when you meet a wicked YouTuber, they will send you a strike, and before you know, there is a copyright strike and the community guideline strike. Copyright strike will not stop you from monetizing your channel, but community guideline will stop you. I'm a victim. It happened to me. The day I got to a week for me to get to monetization to get my 10 million shots view, because I'm more creator on shots on my YouTube channel. So a week to That was when I got that strike. So when I reached 10 million YouTube shorts, I could not monetize my channel due to that community light guide strike. So if if it happens to you, if you don't want that to happen to you, please learn from our mistake. If this is your first time of seeing this video, please consider subscribing. I have more amazing tips to teach you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Subscribe, please. It's not taking anything from you. Just subscribe and share this video.